Ndeye Fatou, the burden of brothers. They are my brothers, my flesh and blood. Since our parents passed, I have become the mother, the father, the provider. They are men, strong and proud, but somehow always unable to find steady work. Always. With a project that never quite takes off, or a debt that needs to be settled. And so the burden falls on me. I wake before the sun, prepare the morning tea, clean the compound. Then I go to the market, carrying heavy loads, haggling for every franc. My back aches, my feet burn, but I must provide. For my children, yes, but also for them. For their meals, their clothes, their small indulgences. They sit in the targui, drinking tea, discussing politics, laughing loudly. They expect their food to be ready, their clothes clean. They tell me, Ndeye Fatou, you are a strong woman. God will bless you for caring for your family. And I nod, smile faintly, because what else can I do? If I don't, who will? Sometimes I dream of rest, of a day where I don't have to carry the weight of so many lives on my shoulders. I see other women, their husbands providing, their brothers supporting themselves. I envy their light step, their carefree laughter. But for me, it's a never-ending cycle. I love them, my brothers. They are my family. But this love is intertwined with resentment, with exhaustion. It's a heavy burden, a silent sacrifice. I am their sister, their mother, their provider. But who provides for me? Who cares for my weariness? The sun sets and I return home, carrying not just the goods from the market, but the unspoken weight of my brothers' lives, a burden I can neither drop nor share. If you appreciate our efforts by bringing these short stories to you, kindly like and share, then subscribe for the next episode. Thanks for watching.